Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm working on a 2001 Honda Accord. It was a crank no start. So first things first, what I did was I confirmed that it was a crank no start. I turned the key and stuff, and I sprayed a little bit of starter fluid in here, and I cranked it over and see if it did anything, and it would just crank. It wouldn't even want to start. So there, we know it's not going to be a fuel related issue. It's going to be something to do with spark. So what I found, I connected my little spark tester, connected it, and it did spark, but it was like really faint. So I was like, oh, that's weird. So I removed the distributor cap. This is what I found. So it looks like the internal O-ring was leaking. And it just got, I believe this is called the cam position sensor. It's all saturated in oil. So that was the cause of the crank no start, bad distributor. Well, that sensor, but they didn't sell it at the auto parts separately, so I just bought a new distributor for the guy. Start it right up.